What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video, and today we're going to talk about how to make money on YouTube without having to create your own content and even without having to show your face. This is a topic that many of you are looking for, so let's see how we do it. Before we get started, I would like to ask you to help this humble channel to grow, and all you have to do is hit the like button for this video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the notification bell, just so you won't miss any video every time I upload. So here I'm going to show you guys an easy method that you can use to create 3 different types of channel. Like I said, with this method, you won't need to make the videos from scratch or have to have your own ideas to create the videos. All you have to do is put together an audio file with a video file and then upload it to YouTube. And the main and best part of this process, these files are already made. Again, all you have to do is literally put them two together. Okay, so what are the 3 types of channel that you will be able to create with these videos, and how do you put together these files before uploading? Here's how it works. Every day, millions and millions of people come here on YouTube to search for meditation music, sleep music, and study music. And these are the 3 types of channel that you can create without having to make your own video content from scratch. And as you guys already know, these videos are made of literally just a simple static image with the same audio music playing constantly in the background over and over again. And honestly, look how many views these videos are getting. Millions upon millions. It's just crazy. And if you come over here to socialblade.com and check how much money these channels are making, it's even crazier. Look. Again, you're not making any content here or having to put your best ideas into creating the video or anything like that. The process to get a video like this done is literally just put these 2 things together, the visual and the audio, and then it's ready to be uploaded. So let's now take a look on how we put these 2 files together. Like I said, they're both already made, and for the audio file, we're actually coming to YouTube itself, down here to the audio library. Then just search for the type of music you want here. If your channel is going to be about music for studying, then obviously just type in study music, pick any one of these here, and the same if you chose any of the other 2, sleep, meditation. So let's just pick a random one here for us to use as an example. So a meditation song. Yeah, this one right here, Eternal Garden. Hit download. Alright, so now that we have our audio file, we need the visual bit, the image video. So for that, we're going to come over here to this website called pexels.com. Hit video, type in meditation, and you want the orientation up here to be horizontal, obviously, as it's used on YouTube. Then just pick whichever one of these right here that you like most. Could be a video of a person meditating or something like this right here too. Let's just pick this one here then for our example. Now, I forgot to mention, the reason why we're getting the audio specifically from YouTube and the video specifically from pexels.com is because all the files from these 2 websites are copyright free. And this is very important, guys. If there is a song or an image in your video that is not copyright free, you will not be able to monetize that video. YouTube is very good with copyrighted files, so make sure that the audio and the image you're using in your videos are both copyright free. Just real quick here, I would like you to comment below how much would you like to make with your YouTube channel. If your channel does blow up, what would be an ideal monthly salary for you? Comment that below and share your expectations with us. Alright, so here now, like I said, the process to put these 2 files here together is very, very easy. Here I'm using a program called VideoPad, but you could obviously use any other video editor. There are literally millions of options for you to choose from. You could even use one of those online video editor, like just go on Google and search for online video editor, and many options are going to pop up for you. And as I mentioned, the process we're doing here is very simple. It can be done in literally any other video editor. So here we have our video file and our audio file. Then I'm just gonna drag them down here. And as you can see, the audio file is a bit longer than the image. That's no problem at all. The video is actually going to be much longer than 2 minutes anyways. And that's actually what we have to decide now. So it's going to be a meditation video, right? So then we can do like, the title of the video could be something like 20 minutes of deep meditation music, for example. So now obviously we need to make this whole thing here be 20 minutes long, and all we do here now is simply Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V until we have it at the 20-minute mark. Same for the audio file here. There we go. Now we export it right there, and guys, obviously here you can make your videos as long or as short as you like. This was just an example of how you do it. Say if you're doing a music for studying type of video, you could go much longer, you know, like 2-3 hours. And if you're going for sleep music, you could go even longer than that, like 7-8 hours. Some people do these videos like 10 hours long or even longer. So yeah, the length of the video here is completely up to you. Alright, so here we have it. We've got our first YouTube video ready to be uploaded right here. How easy was this, honestly? And now the final step is actually go ahead and upload the video. And here's what you need to do next, plus some special tricks that you can use to make your video get those first views in and hopefully be ranked up there on the YouTube first page when people search for it. First and obviously, create your YouTube channel if you don't have one already. Choose a catchy name and a good logo for your channel. Use the right tags and keywords for your videos. This will tell YouTube's algorithm what your audience is and who they should be recommending your videos to. Be consistent with your content. Keep uploading new videos as often as you can. And last tip here, interact with your audience. Like and reply their comments, give them tips and recommend some of your other videos to them. By doing this, it will play with the YouTube's algorithm too. In your favor, of course. Here now I have a personal recommendation for you. It's a free training on how to make money on YouTube without recording videos. This training is very complete. It will teach you everything you need to know to succeed on YouTube, from choosing the right niche for your channel to how to take full advantage of the YouTube's algorithm to grow your channel very fast. Like I said, it's a free training. You don't need to pay anything. Just make sure you have some free time available before attending the training. It's a bit long, but it's totally worth it, trust me. So yeah, for those of you who are actually interested about this free training on how to make money on YouTube without recording videos, I will leave the link for that in the description below. Alright, so that's it now guys, and if you haven't already, I would like to ask you again to help this modest channel to grow by liking the video, subscribing to it, and also turning on the notification bell. I would very much appreciate if y'all could do that, and you know exactly what to do now. Go ahead and put into practice everything you learned in this video to start making some money for yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later!